Welcome to our channel. Today I'd like to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A35 phone. For this we need a toothbrush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium firm. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, first to soften the dirt and then to evaporate. You can buy this brush in this diffuser in a set like this. And if you don't have the option to buy one, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it has soft or medium firm bristles, otherwise you'll scratch your phone, and alcohol is essential. The phone must be turned off for the duration of the operation. We never clean the phone while it's turned on. We hold down the volume down and power buttons. We select the power off option. We turn the phone horizontally so it's easier for us to hold. We thoroughly dampen the toothbrush with 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that the brush is wet. We hold it with 2 fingers and open the speaker from here to there between the screen and the frame, and we simply clean this part with a one-way motion. 10 to 15 strokes in one direction to clean the opening. Then in the other direction do exactly the same, only in one direction so that it's 10 to 15 strokes. Not right, left, because that will just move the dirt around the opening and the dirt won't come out of the speaker hole. If the speaker is very dirty, it's a good idea to repeat this movement 2 or 3 times in each direction, which means 20 to 30 strokes. Then the speaker hole will be perfectly cleaned and the speaker will work like new. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.